Okay, here's video number 6 in the standard APR. Remember, this list in this video series is not all-inclusive of all things you need to study to prepare for the final exam. That was an abbreviated version of the introduction, by the way. Hey, same thing we did up here for adding, subtracting. These are simple. These are more complex. What do I have to do to add these expressions together? What's going to be the LCD? Anybody? X minus 3 and x plus 5. Those are the two factors all the way simplified. So that is my LCD. So let's write that down here as my LCD, just like this. Okay? Now, what did I multiply by this term, this denominator, to get down here? I multiplied by x plus 5. So let's put this right here. And let's do the FOIL double distribution real quick in our heads. Okay? Mental math again. We're going to start with x squared. And then we got plus 2 plus 5, right? Plus 7x and then plus 10. Stop right there. If you can't do that FOIL double distribution mental math in your head, you really should practice that, because it needs to be that quick. You guys are in Math 3, getting ready to go into some pre-calculus and calculus type stuff in high school or next year in college, or high school. You need to be that quick, boys and girls. Okay. Same thing over here. We multiply this term by x minus 3. So let's do the double distribution. X squared minus 7x. Oh, I didn't do that on purpose, but that's cool. And then plus 12. And let's collect like terms. So x squared and x squared. 2x squared. 7x minus 7x cancel. Plus 10 that's plus 22 over that. Could you factor that numerator a little bit more? Yes. Yeah, you could say this is 2 and then x squared plus 11, but that's just showing off. I would take either answer. Okay, how about this concept question? Look at what we just did. Look at what we just did right there. Answer this concept question. Look at what happened right there, and let me throw this up there. What's 2/3, if I can write a 3, plus 5 over 7? How do you do that? How do you do this right here? What's the first thing you have to find? LCD. The LCD is what? 21. So we write a 21 down here. What did I multiply by this denominator to get here? 7. So multiply this one by 7. So that's 14. What did I multiply by this one? 3. So multiply this one by 3 plus 15. Wow, does that not look exactly like what we saw above? Whoa. Yes, it is, and that's the point. Adding and subtracting fractions, simple fractions like this, are analogous, that word is analogous, to adding and subtracting rational expressions, because they are closed under addition and subtraction. The systems of rational expressions is closed under addition and subtraction just like fractions are. It forms a real number system. That's what they're looking for in that concept question in the higher level maths and CASP and SAT stuff. Okay? Any questions?